Hi guys, today I am going to be unboxing with you 2 or 3. I have little items to unbox today, items that will make me happy. I've got something from Cartier, something from Chanel, and a little something from my best friend. I'm really excited. Let's jump into it. First item I'm going to unbox is this tiny little box here from Cartier. This is a gift that I got for myself. I think I had a really busy week and I just felt like I should reward myself with something. With the budget I had in mind, I could probably get like a costume jewelry piece, or I could get like something that's fine jewelry. So I decided to, go for the smarter choice. This thing here, as you can see from the title, is something from their Trinity collection. The Cartier Trinity collection has been around since 1924. So it's incredibly classic. It consists of 3 rings that are entwined together. Okay, so we are gonna get this open. Now the other jewelry pieces I've gotten from Cartier came in like much grander packaging. It had like that embossed thing on it, but this came in a much simpler packaging because it is a much simpler product. So I'm gonna go ahead. Nice pleating over there. Here it is in a very simple Cartier box. This reminds me of like the Hermes Epsom leather. It's really pretty. Okay, we open it to unveil a little suede bag. I'm so excited for this product. It has Cartier embossed there, and there it is. This is the Cartier Trinity Bracelet. So it comes with 3 18-karat gold little tiny rings. It's a lot smaller than I remembered it to be. It consists of a white gold, rose gold, as well as yellow gold there. These are what they call the yards. I think the way that they close it off, they burn it or something. I don't know. It's quite interesting. But it's not like a flimsy yard. It's like a proper yard. I guess you could remove this and use this as like a pendant for your necklace. But yeah, these are the 3 little tiny 18-karat gold pieces. You can choose what color yard you want this to be in. I think they offer, I know there was a purple somewhere, but I decided to just go with the classic black for the first time, because you can actually bring this back anytime and you could just get them to change the yard. And they also measure the size of your wrist to determine how long the yard is as well. This is how it looks like together with my love bracelet. My love bracelet is actually the rose gold version, but yeah, it looks quite true to color. It looks a little bit yellowy than the rose gold version they have here, so I don't think like it's a like for like. Not sure whether I could wear this together. I do see a lot of people wearing it together, and the little string here does stop it from getting to the gold items, and therefore it helps to prevent it from scratching. It's a very simple piece. As you can see, I do plan to wear this every day. Right now I used to be like big on rings. I have too many rings, and but I can't really wear them at the moment because I'm always sanitizing my hands while I'm taking care of the babies. So I usually wear bracelets or necklaces, and for everyday wear I have found that having pure gold pieces or solid gold pieces is really the way to go, because you don't have to take them off, you don't have to worry when you sweat, etc. And it's really humid in Singapore. So I've really been loving my pure gold pieces. This cord is definitely something that you could just wear whenever, so I do plan to wear it together with either my love bracelet or with my Fitbit on this hand. Sorry, this is a marker from teaching Mika how to write. Anyway, there are 3 little rings, which 3 is my favorite number, and also now I have 3 kids, so it has a little bit more special meaning for me because it kind of reminds me of my 3 kids. So I like that when I look down, I will always be reminded of them. Together with that piece, they also gave me 2 perfumes. This is their Cartier Carrot perfume, and it comes in a really cute bottle like this. It has a very nice feminine, very soft feminine scent. I actually really like this. I'm going to try it out and see if it's something worth getting full bottle. And I believe this is for the men, and it looks like this. It's just a travel sized sample. It's like a citrusy, very nice smell, very surprising. I don't know, I always had the assumption that Cartier perfumes are super like overwhelming and very strong, but these 2 scents are actually really surprisingly soft. Next item is from Chanel. It's a small accessory. It's actually an accessory which I had on my no-buy list because I just thought it wasn't worth it, and it is a brooch. However, it is a very cute set of brooches, so I actually really like this. Well, I don't know if it's called a brooch. They are more like pins. This came up on Yas Finds, which is one of my favorite resellers to buy from. I didn't go to their store, I just did the transaction over WhatsApp, which was super convenient. So it came with pretty much the full set except for the bag. So this is how the box looks like. Even has the original receipt there. Let's see, how much did this person get it for? It was bought in Singapore. It was 1,240. Right guys, so this is what I mean by, you know, with a budget in mind, you could easily get like a fashion jewelry piece, and this is way beyond my budget I had for this bracelet. But you know, you can get a solid gold item, although it's small. It's actually cheaper than what I'm about to show you. So it comes in the usual Chanel dust bag, and we're going to unbox it. Are you guys ready? We're gonna open it now, and it is, ta-da! Isn't that gorgeous? This is a set of 3 Chanel pins. It even has this original little tag here. I'm not sure whether the person even wore it. So these are a set of 3 beautiful Chanel pins. So this first one is a classic Chanel logo piece. It can probably be a size of a earring that they sell. And the backs of it are all sort of like a gray pewter type of finish, and they're all pins, so they're not really brooches, I guess, because you just pin them onto your shirt or your scarf. And this has sort of like a yellowy cream colored rhinestone. This next one, which is my absolute favorite, I feel like it's so magical and whimsical. It's like a crescent moon shape, and it has a little bit more of a whitish rhinestone finish, and it has a tiny little Chanel symbol there. It also comes in the pin version, and I feel like this is so understated. The reason I don't like the usual Chanel brooches is I feel like they're just so big, and they just scream Chanel, and I just feel like we are walking advertisements for them. But this is just so tiny and so classic. I really like it. This last piece is super pretty. As you can see, the rhinestones are multicolored, so it's a little bit of purple, pink, and the Chanel little logo is in the middle right there. I guess you're supposed to be wearing them, like you can wear them together as a set, or you can wear them separately. So far I've only worn them separately, but I just feel like they are the ideal size because they are tiny and not like screaming Chanel. So those are the 3 of them together. They are super fabulous. I'm so happy to get these. This last item is actually a gift from my best friend Waylin. It is an item she got during the Robinsons closing down situation. It's really sad that retail businesses are just not being able to survive this pandemic, but you know, who would have catered for a global pandemic? So anyway, she went in and she got me this. I'm really excited, although I don't know when I'm going to be able to wear them. So it's by Binker and Eliza. Very pretty box. They are super gorgeous earrings. Don't they look fabulous? They look very luxurious and super well made. They look heavy, right? But they are literally, they don't weigh anything. They are so light. Really gorgeous pieces, and I think it's just really simple. She said she thought of me when she saw these, so that's awesome. So there you go, guys. Those are the few items I wanted to unbox with you. Let me know what you guys think of the items. I hope you're all doing fantastic. I know it's a very trying and difficult time for everyone, so I hope you're keeping safe, staying happy, and taking care of yourselves. If you did enjoy this video, please click on the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.